Hello fellow traders, Trey Campbell here coming at you with a trading video. Today's a little different. Today I have for you a little bit of a live trading video. The reason I'm doing this is because the trade is pretty much stress free to me right now at the moment, so I figured I'm just sitting here watching it, so I figured I would throw the camera on and show you guys exactly what I did. So let me throw this up here, and basically what you are looking at is the ES Open. And what happened was we opened the market right here, right, and we started selling off. So what I did is when we hit this area, we were putting in lower or higher lows. I purchased this contract right here, 2870.30, right here, and with 11 o'clock expiry for 80 bucks, and which gives me a $20 profit range. But look how far in the money I already was. I was underneath this support, this past support here, and I was willing to average in, and so I only got my first allotment, so I'm only going to make like 100 bucks on this trade. However, if this would have come down, and even if it decides to come down, you know, in this area again, I will build the position, if that makes sense. So that was not my first intention. I just wanted to get the contract on, so I purchased the first contract there for 80. But if it had come down, I would have got some at 50. I would have got some at 40. You know, whatever the case may be, I would have kind of averaged into the position, and you know, played it from there. However, this trade is looking pretty damn good. We've got a little under an hour, 49 minutes left. So I've got the strike, or the expiry right here, and I've got the where we've got to stay. So basically that's my binary if you look at it in this way. So my binary is stating that I believe that price will be above this red line by this red line, and that's how simple Nadex is. Basically you are stating, I believe this statement right here will be true or false, and I believe it will be true at 11 o'clock. So I either hold to 11, or this thing goes to $98, and I take you know, a little less, but I'll go ahead and take the money off the table. So if you want to hang out here, I'm going to pause it, and then I'll come back when this thing either gets me out or we hit our expire time here. Right now I'm up 50 bucks, and you know, it's a pretty good trade. I'll see if I can pull that up for you so you can see it. Give me 1 second here. Okay, never mind, there's no way I can move the I trade my Nadex on a different computer, so I was trying to log in on this computer, and so I could pull the Nadex account up, and I can't do that. So I'll just roll with this and show you guys. I'll do like an after shots picture or something to show you the actual binary and the profit, and we'll see what happens here on the time here. We've still got plenty of time for this thing to go south. So but look how far in the money we are. I mean, that's huge, right? We're pretty good, I would say. So let me pause it, and I will get back to you when something happens. Alright guys, so basically I got this for you. I had to email this to myself because, like I said, I actually placed my Nadex trades on a different computer than the one that I film and I use it for my charts. So it's a little hard to get the Nadex stuff over without having to log out of the one computer I'm on and log back into the one that I use for the chat room on the other laptop. So just a bunch of stuff that I didn't feel like doing, so I just took a snip and emailed it to myself. But I wanted to show you the actual binary. It was 287030 at 82.25, so it wasn't quite 80 bucks. I thought it was, but just to correct me, on that. And then the cost of that was $411.25 minus the $5 because I bought 5 contracts. And as of right now, this is what we're looking at. We've got the strike and then the expiration. So it's that beautiful and easy. This, I have room now. I've got about 40 minutes left. So this thing in 40 minutes would really have to dump for me to be to expire in the red. So I think we're doing pretty good. This thing really took off. I do have a working order, however, to get out of the market at 98. We're currently trading at 91.25. So if this thing does get to 98, I will go ahead and exit the trade, just to go ahead and bag the money and be done with it. However, if it wants to stay within this area here between the POC and the strike, by the end of expiration, I will have held it to expiration, and we'll see how it works out. Currently about 50 bucks in the green. So good trade so far. I'll get back with you as we get closer to expiration. Quick update here. We're taking a little heat. Well, not really heat, but it's pulled back in a little bit. We've got less than 30 minutes left on this trade, so we're coming in the home stretch here. We need some support to come in pretty soon for a cycle back up. Hopefully we'll get that. But just want to give you an update of the chart here as of what it's looking like right now. It's coming down. It's coming down even further. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you posted. Okay, quick update on this trade. We did sell off there a little bit. We found some buyers there above this -5, and now we are cruising back up to the upside. We've got 18 minutes left in this trade, so just kind of patiently waiting, making sure we retain our level above this 2870.30. As long as that is a true statement, we will collect our money. So I just want to give an update on the chart here so you can see where we are in time. And future reference, I'll try to get the Nadex platform over to the other screen as well, so you'll be able to see the actual trade as it unfolds as well. It just really kind of just wanted to throw this video up here today just to show you guys, and it just kind of contradicts my setup, so just wanted you to see the reasons for the trade and the pattern and why I took the trade, and just to check it out and to see. I will get back to you as soon as we get closer to the finish line here. Nice little push there. Alright guys, just wanted to sum up this trade here. It's 11:03, so right there at the last minute here at 11 o'clock we did get a spike. However, my strike was down here at 2870.30, and hold on one second. Okay, and here is the final trade. It paid out 500 bucks, minus 411, minus 5, so it wasn't a huge trade in the for profit wise, but I'm gonna tell you, it's a pretty dang easy stress-free trade. So that's the entirety of the trade there. Entered at 9:31, let it expire at 11 o'clock a.m. and there it is. So Let me exit out of that and just take you through it there. So I got the strike here on this pullback, right? And it just went up from there. Thanks for watching.